This tutorial will show you the third option of the Start button menu. The Quick Input function will appear by clicking on this drop-down menu. Please note that this function is not available when more than one test taker is selected. So, choosing only one test taker, you can then click on the Start button. This will open the Quick Input window, where you will see the test items and tick boxes for the responses. Information on input method can be found here. You can also choose a different input method with these sliders. A progress bar can be found here. Clicking on the End button will then allow you to either score, pause, or cancel the test. Please see the next tutorial for information on the logbook.